Welcome back, Seeker, to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can sell your in-game items in the Steam community market. Let's first open up Steam from the Windows search menu. Now toggle to Community tab. Click on Sell an Item. Now let's choose a game from the tab menu. In my case, it will be PUBG. Select an item you wish to sell. You can see the current selected item starting price is 21.98 rupees. Now click on Sell. Add the amount in the You Receive section. Try go close to 21.98. Check in Buyer's Pay section. The additional amounts are transaction fee. I will sell the item at a lower price at 18.80 to make sure item gets sold in a shorter time period. Click on the checkbox and agree to the terms and put it up for sale. And press OK. You can see my sell listing that item has been successfully listed for sale. Here you can see my current wallet amount. Let's wait till the item is sold. If you reached this far in the video, please consider subscribing. It took only about 15 minutes for the item to be sold. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.